Hello everybody at Adknowledge. Ben Legg wanted me to record a quick little video for you to talk about some of our Avid mobile capabilities. We are an international mobile communication company. We work with thousands of international locations and brands and all kinds of different types of clients. We primarily focus on, mobile couponing strategies, text message marketing, database building, and things of that nature. But there's a lot of things that Adknowledge could utilize of our services with your customers. And one of the things that we have is a white labeled application that Adknowledge could actually utilize and sell to their customers for a profit. It would also augment a lot of the campaigns that Adknowledge currently runs for many of your different clients. We all know about the statistics of smartphone use and how their primary device now is that mobile phone. We also know that when mobile messages or text messages are sent out, that the open rates are far greater than the email campaigns that we're sending out. So how can we use those to augment email? How can we use that data to be able to drive new customer acquisition or better customer loyalty, or to augment the email campaigns that we're currently doing, or even to augment the online campaigns to increase conversions? That's what I'm going to show you real quick in about 4 or 5 minutes, so if you can hang with me for a second. Mobile coupons, when delivered right to people's phones, and we have a great mobile couponing tool out of the box, have greater redemptions than other types of redemptions. You can actually deliver mobile coupons off of many of the paid ad campaigns that you guys are servicing for different people. So if couponing is an interest, the couponing tool is really cool, and it's got a really great social sharing feature. So there's a few different ways to get people started down the path of building a mobile phone number in a compliant fashion, and two, capturing that mobile phone number. Obviously, we can give you that mobile phone number in the API, and you can match it up with the data that you have there. How do we get them to begin that engagement? How do we get their permission to send them text messages in a compliant fashion? There's a lot of different ways to do it. Sometimes businesses start with the point of sale. So they have customers walk in the door, the customers see a point of sale sign, or they're handed a card, or there's a signage in the store, or whatever the case may be, and they text in to be able to get back a message on their phone, to get a coupon back on their phone, and they then give permission to be able to enter the database at that time. Other times people will have a greeter at the door, or a tablet sitting on the counter, and people can just input their mobile phone number and they get back a text message right on their phone and can confirm and enter the database in that manner. We use this to actually capture email addresses at that same time. Somebody types their mobile number in a tablet or texts in, either way, and the customer gets a text message that says, to get this coupon now, reply with your email address. The customer actually replies with their email address from their phone, and that's captured in the database, and you guys can import that into your email service, and this is a great way to add really reliable data into your email system, as well as capture mobile numbers. Anytime somebody engages, whether it be from a web form, which I'm going to talk about web forms more in a second, or they're opting in from a sign that they see, or a tablet, or whatever the case may be, this is the basic message flow, and this is our mobile couponing tool. They'll get an instant text message back when they engage. This is actually a live example. You guys could try to text to the phone number 21777, and in the message type Chobani, and you'll get back two different text messages actually. The first one is a mobile coupon. It's a dynamic link. It's different for every single individual user because it produces an individual one-time redemption coupon. They get that back on their phone, and it also, sometimes we use this to augment social media. So we'll tell people, hey, click here and like us now. And they can click the link and they can like us right now. So they get this coupon back on their phone. Next time they come in, it works like a Groupon kind of. When they click that link, it takes them right to their mobile coupon page. You build this page, you make it look like anything you want with our builder. Real easy to do. You can deploy one of these campaigns in about 3 minutes. All white labeled for your customer. You guys resell this on a per text message basis to them, and it's profitable. There's very good margin in it because we're a wholesaler. They get their custom coupon. It's got a redeem button, terms and conditions. It can have a contact page with a map and everything on it. They're standing in front of the grocer. They click redeem. When they click redeem, it gives them a validation, says, you sure you want to redeem this right now? They click OK, and they get served the barcode or the QR code and the coupon code, and it can be input into the point of sale system. It can be a unique code for each individual user if that needs to be tracked, and they can then track that at the register. Now this coupon is used, even if they text in again, or try to click this URL again, that coupon is already redeemed, it's timestamped, they can't use it again. It's also tracked back in our system. So your unsophisticated clients can still prevent fraud, and your more sophisticated clients will have it in their POS system, and they know it. You can also match up the phone numbers and coupon redemptions into the CRM that you guys are currently using on a per user basis. The really cool part about this is that some companies utilize what we call an incentivized sharing program. So they deliver a coupon back to a phone. They then will tell somebody, if you share this coupon right now on your Facebook or Twitter by pushing share and then pushing Facebook or Twitter, it will share the coupon out there for other people to be able to see on your Facebook page. And when those people see it, the average person has 220 people on their Facebook fan page, or their Facebook, not their Facebook fan page, but just me as a consumer, I've got 220 friends. So I click to share this coupon because I'm incentivized to do so. Maybe I get an extra coupon, or maybe I get a chance to win something, or whatever the case may be. When I click share, it posts this, that I've used this coupon, and that other people can get this coupon if they want by typing their mobile number in to this form. And so basically 220 people now get an exposure to this Chobani coupon, or whatever it happens to be. It could be L'Oreal or whoever it happens to be. They see it, they can opt into the program, they enter the database, they get the coupon on their phone with their unique coupon code and everything. So this is a great way to be able to share coupons online. That share is essentially a free advertisement for any of your brands. Now, what you guys do primarily is work with people on their lead conversions, on traffic, and to their sites and their web properties and things of that nature. One of the things that we work with a lot of people on is how to, during transaction processes, registration processes, and things like that, to be able to capture mobile phone numbers with the correct terms and conditions. So somebody types their mobile number in, this already checked box has the correct terms and conditions. They hit create account. It sends them an instant confirmation text message. This is done through our API. It's very simple to do. They get that confirmation message, and then they reply yes and confirm, and they've now entered the database. You can get that information back through the API, so you know how many mobile phone numbers have agreed to opt in. Now we've captured their mobile numbers, we've opted them in, now they're also in our database. Sometimes we do lead conversions off landing pages where people say, hey, you can get this offer now, and they don't want to print it. Type your mobile number in here and we'll send it right to your phone. They type their mobile number in, we send it right to their phone. We can even ask for their email address at that time, or we can just capture their mobile number at that time and give them the coupon back on their phone without having to print. Sometimes it's just a quick lead capture. What this sometimes represents is an extra conversions, extra people that we capture into our mobile database. Then obviously the last piece of this is we're now building a mobile database that gives our advertisers a chance to be able to remarket to those people via text. They might send them mobile coupons at exactly the right moment, right when they're hungry, or right when their new sales events start, or whatever the case may be. But now they can schedule their mobile messages out, these text messages, right to people's phones. 95% open rate within 5 minutes, great conversion rates, great click-through rates, right to the mobile landing pages that you guys build and develop. A L'Oreal example message, Cupid, and I'm sure you guys have tons of other clients that could utilize these services. You guys can augment what you're already doing with the mobile engagements. You guys can get the data back into your application. You guys can obviously sell on a per text message basis and be profitable because of that. Thank you guys for watching this. Obviously, social media likes are a part of that. Contact me. You guys get together, and we'll figure out a way to be able to get you guys, start talking about some individual clients. I can help you put the proposals together for them, and we can work something out that's really cool. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your time. Talk to you later. Ben, love you, buddy. See you. Bye-bye.